Tired of Discord blocking mature content you want to see? Learn how to enable NSFW in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to change. Just follow these simple steps in your Discord account. First, head over to Discord and log in if you haven't already. Then, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, click on Content and Social. Under Content and Social, you'll see Mature Sexual Media. Click on that. Then, for direct messages from friends, click the drop-down and select Show. Now, for direct messages from others, click the drop-down and select Show. Then, for messages in server channels, click the drop-down and select Show. Next, click the Graphic Media. Under Graphic Media, start with Direct Messages from Friends. Click the drop-down and choose Show. Then, for Direct Messages from Others, click the drop-down and select Show. Finally, for messages in server channels, click the drop-down and choose Show. And that's it! You've successfully enabled NSFW content on Discord. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.